can't do it. It's too scary. I'll never be able to do stunts like that in the competition tomorrow.
Sure you can. Morphle and I will help you. How can we help him be less scared, Morphle?
Crash helmet?
He already has a helmet. I was thinking of something else. Morphle, morph into a bike with a sidecar.
Oh, no.
Here we go.
Whoa!
Whee!
Whoa!
See? It's not scary.
It's not too bad, I suppose. But we haven't gone up the big ramp yet.
Well, get ready. Yeah, we did it! You did it!
Yes, that was fun. But I hope I can do it by myself tomorrow. Mila, Morphle, I can't do this without you. It's too scary. It's... Huh?
No! Morphle!
We got him! We got Morphle!
Yes. Morphle is ours now.
No! You can't take Morphle!